Morning.
So we've been up in the mountains for about 3 minutes. You are naughty boy. Aye, aye.
It's middle of off-season, middle of winter. Our plan was to put Kevin to the garage and to let him sleep there throughout the whole winter and to take it out only on spring. But the plan has changed.
It was other way.
Try again.
That's all.
One more time. One more. The battery is dead. We need to take out the battery to charge it, and taking out the battery wouldn't be a problem, but you need to take out the passenger seat first because the battery is under it, and this also wouldn't be a problem if the car wouldn't stand just next to the wall from that side. So I'm gonna try to take out the passenger seat from this side.
I feel your touch all alone on the road again. I'm too much far gone, I'm not even listening. I just watch from the window while I see my friends. I flipped the clutch, 14, started around a pin. Take me out, my misery. I'm far too gone, just let
Well, that was easy.
you want me to.
Only 20 minutes.
Want to breathe, I'm trying.
Okay, so we need to take that battery and charge it in garage and then bring it back here with a full charged battery. In the meantime, Marek, what are we doing in the meantime?
Changing E30 boots for winter boots. You see, me and Sam are changed for nice winter boots.
Yeah, I have a nice one especially. My dog ate half of this boot.
Well, now it's time for E30 to get the treatment, and then we might take it to a few spins.
Tricky. Cheeky boy. Let's go. Okay, we have next day and we have freshly charged battery.
I feel your touch.
Yes.
All alone on the road again. I'm too much far gone, I'm not even sin. Far gone, I'm not even. I feel your touch all alone
Started
on
to
the
snow.
road again.
Perfect.
I'm too much far gone, I'm not even sin. I just watch from the window while I see my friends. I flip the clutch, 14, started around a pin. Take me out, my misery. I'm far too gone, just let me leave. You want me dead, I want to breathe. I'm drowning all the things I see. Take me out, my misery. I'm far too gone, just let me leave. You want me dead, I want to breathe. I'm drowning all the things I see. I feel your touch, I feel your touch all alone on the road again. I flip the clutch, 14, started around a bend. I just watch from the window while I see my friends.
Yeah, it's been a while since this view. I'm happy we have Kevin back here because we are leaving to... Oh yeah, I think we didn't even say on the video why we took it away, just where the winter starts. We thought this is it with events. We thought there's no more adventures, no more traveling and stuff. But then there's still this one event called Essen Motor Show. It's happening in the beginning of December in Germany, so neighbor country to us. And we were invited to join with Kevin. And I'm very happy about that because Essen Motor Show is, I think, third biggest car event or motor show in the world, just after SEMA and Tokyo Auto Saloon. So we are very proud that Kevin got invited and we're leaving in 3 days. So we decided that we're gonna bring Kevin to this garage and just get it ready for this trip. And by get it ready, I mean the car is super nice. It just have just couple little things that we could fix. But all this we're gonna start doing tomorrow because today is Sunday, all the shops are closed, so we cannot buy any parts or hardware that we need. But what we are gonna do today, and I hope you guys will enjoy it, is get E30 ready and take it to the mountains. It's getting late now, so I'm gonna bring the car here, put the winter tires on, raise the suspension a bit, set up the alignment and get it ready. And tonight we are going to the mountains with some friends. Speaking of which...
Hello.
You look like you're ready to work. Where's your jacket?
What jacket? What
No,
do you mean? I have like
It's like minus
this
5.
one,
How
one.
many layers here?
One.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I have
PP
kalesonki.
is freezing, you know.
Yeah, my PP is not freezing. So I have some extra layers. So what we need to do now is kind of push Kevin somewhere and maybe push this one more there so there's space for E30. And also yesterday was Bozo's birthday, so you can wish him happy birthday in the comments.
I'm old now.
You're still young, come on.
Yeah, it's good that this car have BC racing. They are not seized or anything. They're just going straight away in hands. Look.
So you can nicely lower your car anytime.
Yeah, lower. Yeah, lower.
Okay, so at the front we switched old summer tires for new nice winter tires. The tires are more chunky, so we had to raise the front of the car to avoid rubbing with the body. And now we're gonna have a look at current stunts. What do you think about the stunts?
There will be no stunts, man.
Let's check it out. Okay. Motoruba. I think it's good. It actually looked pretty nice like this with the big chunky tires. For the winter setup, it's really not bad. As you can see, there's a spring, and under the spring there is this thing. So we need to just unscrew it so it's higher under the spring. So this is the current height of the car. It looks much worse than before, but the fitment is not the most important thing if you go snow drifting. I think it still doesn't look too bad.
Okay, it's exactly midnight right now and we're going to the mountains.
Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving all the 85. But you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Can't keep me none. Shorty bag. If she wants.
So this is my old wiper.
And what if this one doesn't fit?
And if this one doesn't fit, we don't have any. Look at this freshness.
Sorry, I'm just looking at that
Oh
freshness.
no, look how small it is. Oh no.
I think the wiper in my Lada is bigger than this.
Works, works. It looks a bit funny.
To powinno być więcej, no.
No, it's up to here now.
A dobre.
Nice. Okay, we are ready to go. Just a little ditch, it's okay. So we've been up in the mountains for about 3 minutes and this is the situation. Oh. Dobra, dzięki. how unexpected to see random BMW drivers on a mountain
I
road.
don't know what they're doing. Maybe they're sightseeing or I don't know.
Yeah, strange.
Weird.
Look how many of them are here.
Got a car there?
What happened? Oh yeah, car is in the thing. Aye, aye, aye. Fucking hell. Aj, aj.
Kurwa, no. Masakra. Ale kto grubo leci, ten wyjechać musi, nie?
No.
Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving all the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Can't give me none, shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm getting up, I don't get no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving all the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Can't give me none, shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm getting up, I don't get no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving off the 85, but you wrong. Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving off the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Ain't give me none, shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm getting up, I don't get no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving off the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Ain't give me none, shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm getting up, I don't get no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want.
Whoa, big angle.
Whoa. That was so close. Oh no. Yes, he's out. Let's go. No. Okay.
Hey, no
It's good, it's good. Dokumenty. You are naughty boy.
Man, it's so nice.
You smashed into Bożej's door.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, this would be it for this video.
I suppose so.
What do you say?
It was very much fun. It's 4 AM right now. I'm frozen, but also sweating at the same time. I don't
Yeah.
know how to explain,
I'm very hot.
but it was super fun. E30 got bent as always.
We had a little kiss/touch with one of the boys, but it was all worth it. It was super cool, and yeah, I hope we're gonna have more and more those nights this winter.
I suppose next stop, we're leaving in 2 days to Germany, to Essen Motor Show. We're gonna be there for a few days, and yeah.
And also, there is much more on that trip. There is big plans we have for next 2 weeks, so you guys better watch videos because it's gonna be something else than we did until now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.
I can just say that Sam bought his dream car.
Maybe. See you next time.